It's Tuesday, so you know what that means. Today I get to show you how to put the top down of this M240i behind me. The first way you can do it is with the actual key fob, and so in order to put it down, you will press and hold the unlock button. This is really useful on a hot summer day because it allows all that hot indoor air to escape. You can also close the top with the same method, but instead press and hold the round L right here, which is normally your lock button, and it will close it for you. The other way to close or open the top is with the button down here. If you press down and hold, it'll open, and if you pull up and hold, it'll close. And for the ultimate convenience, you can even do it while driving at low speeds. That's all I got for this week. See you next Tuesday.